हेलो एंड नमस्कार। शक्ति समिट्स के पॉडकास्ट में आपका फिर से एक बार स्वागत है। मैं हूँ नीति कानूनगो, आपकी होस्ट। द माइंड शिफ्ट साइको, एक ऑथर, एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट और एक स्पिरिचुअल सीकर। थैंक यू सो मच for your likes and comments on all our previous videos in the podcast. Manifestation, affirmations, visualization, inspired action, letting go to the universe और gratitude जैसे beautiful soulful topics के बाद आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ The topic of abundance. Abundance यानी कि किसी चीज़ का भरपूर मात्रा में होना, a large quantity of something. When you have more than what you need, it is the opposite of scarcity, that is plentifulness or a feeling of overflowing. यानी कि विपुलता, प्रचुरता। कई बार हम अबंडेंस को मिक्सअप करते हैं विथ बीइंग रिच। हमें लगता है बीइंग अबंडेंट मीन्स हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी, बट अबंडेंस इज नॉट अबाउट बीइंग रिच, इट इज अबाउट बीइंग wealthy. So this is a little more complex. हमें लगता है abundance means earn lot of money or make money somehow and become very rich. But true abundance comes with many different faceted aspects of life. तो कैसे हम wealthy बने ताकि हमारी लाइफ में ये सब एस्पेक्ट्स भरपूर रहें। सो अबंडेंस स्टार्ट्स विद डेवलपिंग द राइट माइंडसेट। सबसे पहले वी नीड टू हैव अ सेल्फ बिलीफ ऑफ सेल्फ वर्थ। हम अपने आप को इस काबिल समझें कि हम ये वेल्थ अपनी लाइफ में डेवलप कर सकते हैं। अपने ऊपर विश्वास रखें, ये विश्वास रखें that good things are coming. मेरी लाइफ में बहुत कुछ अच्छा होगा। ये सोचें that I have more than what I need और gratitude रखें। ये हमेशा विश्वास रखें that yes, the universe is constantly giving me opportunities to build new things and achieve my dreams and desires in this life. So how do we activate this abundance mindset? सबसे पहले believe and practice the power of gratitude. आपने मेरे पिछले वीडियो में देखा होगा कि gratitude क्या है. It is a way of life where we focus on what we already have and we are thankful for it. आप एक gratitude journal रखिए. Be a little mindful of appreciating the good things in your life. दूसरा तरीका है to challenge your own limiting beliefs. आप समझिए कि लाइफ में how much are you complaining or criticizing or comparing or playing the blame game? क्या आप एक परफेक्शनिस्ट हैं जो सब कुछ एकदम परफेक्टली करना चाहते हैं? सो एक्सेप्ट योर लिमिट्स और एक्सेप्ट करिए दैट यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन द पॉसिबिलिटीज and not on the limitations. Start writing positive affirmations using positive words. And finally, surround yourself with positive influencers. ऐसे लोगों को फॉलो करिए, उनकी बातें सुनिए, उनके वीडियोस देखिए जो आपको इंस्पायर करते हैं. एंड बियॉन्ड पीपल, read the right kind of books, watch meaningful movies. In सब से you will be able to activate an abundant mindset. Perhaps the biggest inspiration to develop and activate an abundant mindset is to let nature be your guide. If you look all around you, the sun, the moon, the seas, the mountains, the glaciers, the trees, all work endlessly to give. They have endless energy. The earth gives us endless resources. They are full of abundance. Yes, so let us learn to give like nature. To start your practice of abundance, सबसे पहले लिखिए that I am enough. I have enough. All my needs are met. And there is enough for everyone. These are 4 very powerful statements to start your abundance practice. Abundance practice करने का अगला तरीका है to feel joy and happiness in giving. Give with a sense of purpose and not out of your ego or any personal agenda. A higher form of practicing abundance is by sharing your time, by being present for someone. किसी के साथ समय बिताइए. Make an effort. Help them in something that you are doing. If nothing else, just smile and send good vibes. Be ready to do service, to help others. By doing service, you activate abundance in not just this life, but across many lifetimes. So this is the secret mantra of abundance, that when you give, you create an empty space. और उस खाली जगह को भरने के लिए you will automatically receive more and more. And this becomes a cycle. The more you give with good intentions, and the more you give with good intentions again and again, you will observe that you have started receiving more and more, multiplied many times over. And this is the secret of multiplying your wealth. आप देखेंगे जितने भी wealthy लोग हैं, they do not let their assets and their wealth stagnate. They invest it, they give it more and more to multiply their assets. And one last secret of abundance is give what you want to receive. वो चीज़ जो आपको सबसे ज़्यादा चाहिए, उसको आप दूसरों को देना शुरू करिए. If you want to get respect, start respecting others. If you want more wealth, then start doing some donations and charities. If you want love, then start loving others. So remember that abundance is like a state of overflow. Let our lives be like those flowing rivers where we give and we receive. There is a constant flow of energy and a sense of renewal. And with this abundance, let us find the joy and purpose of giving receiving and living a loving life. मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आज के पॉडकास्ट में आपने अबंडेंस के बारे में बहुत सी नई बातें सीखी होंगी एंड यू विल ट्राई टू यूज़ देम इन योर लाइव्स. दिस इज़ नीति कानूनगो signing off, wishing you a very, very abundant life. शक्ति समिट्स के पॉडकास्ट को यूट्यूब चैनल पर ज़रूर लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, अपनी वैल्यूएबल कमेंट्स टाइप करें एंड डू शेयर इट with your family and friends. See you in the next podcast.